I know that lots of people say that learning soul retrieval is very complex and complicated. Is this true? I believe learning and practicing soul retrieval is as complicated as you make it. If you went through my beginner course and practiced journeying the way you have learned there, you will be well prepared for the soul retrieval ritual. If you know my other courses, you will realize that I like to keep it simple and to the point. Anyway, to master something, you need to practice to gain experience. Soul retrieval is a sacred method of spiritual healing. Please use it with respect and kindness.